What's up, YouTube? So today I am back with another YouTube video. Sorry y'all if y'all can hear the background. Many of y'all ain't gonna be able to hear because I'm putting some background music in this because y'all already see by the title, y'all already know what I'm gonna be doing. Period. So yeah, y'all, this is gonna be my first time straightening this freaking hair. And I don't feel like it, but I need to do a video, y'all. So I'm gonna take this scarf off. Y'all don't think it look too bad, but if it do, don't say nothing because it's gonna be period, okay? Okay, so before we get into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, y'all can comment down below. So I don't know why I just said that, but before we get into the video, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be somewhere down here or up here. I don't know where I'm putting it, but make sure y'all do all that. And I'm on Snapchat. I have people back. I follow people back. Okay, because period, y'all, it don't even really need straighten, but I need to do a video, so I'm gonna go ahead and do in this part for get on my nerves. Is edge control. So don't come for me, okay? Don't come for me. So y'all, should I name this video straightening my hair for the first time or 24-hour battery transformation? You know I already did that video. I don't know y'all, but this hair is so freaking cute. Like F the leave out. This hair is cute. Y'all see this? Okay, because period. Stop playing with me. Okay. Okay, 22. Stop playing with me. Y'all, this is not no stiffy. This is 22. Okay. Don't play with me. Alright, y'all, so I'll get something to straighten my leave out a little bit. Let me see if the straighteners is heated up. Y'all, so I got this from Sally's. It was on sale, y'all, okay? I don't know how much this costs, but I used this. Well, the girl who did my hair, she used this right here. And I used this before on my real hair. I don't really like it on my real hair, but I'm going to just use it since she used it on. Like, if y'all go watch my video of getting cute with me, y'all will see that my edges was like that. And when she did it, and she used this, so this is what I'm going to be using, y'all. This is 24-hour edge tamer, y'all. I don't know if she used the extra mega hold. I don't know what she used, but y'all got the extra mega hold, okay? Okay. This video is not sponsored, y'all. I'm just tell y'all if I like it or not, okay? That little thing just rolled. But y'all, this smells so good and it's brand new. So should I do my edges first? Oh no, but it itch right there. Hang on. No, I think I'm gonna do my edges last. So hold on, y'all. Don't get it. No, I got edges pulled. Okay. Okay, don't play with me. You can see my bread, but you can see them edges too. Don't play with me. Okay. So we done with this. So should I straighten the hair? Yo, this stuff be itching. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But it's worth the itch. Y'all probably like, oh my gosh, you need to stop. Y'all got my eyebrows done. Do y'all like them? Y'all, my face is clearing up so good. Like, I'm so excited. Alright, y'all, so now we finna try to do these little edges. I hope I know what I'm doing because alright, y'all, so I'm done with my little hair. Okay, and y'all, this ain't the end of the video because I'm finna get bar. So I'm gonna put on some lip gloss and we're gonna be right back because all I need is lip gloss. I didn't even get no lashes put on. Well, yes I did, y'all, but I took them off because I don't do those. Like, I can't. So y'all, I can only do individuals. That's it. I can't do them long strips y'all be wearing. But I'm finna go put on some lip gloss because that's all I need, Pooh, okay? Don't play with me. Gloss. If y'all watch my lip gloss collection, y'all already know this is my favorite. If you didn't, you need to go watch that, okay? So I'm gonna put on the lip gloss in there. Alright, y'all. My bad. I don't need nothing else, okay? Cause I'm just. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I got on a jacket, my hair put up. Y'all just had to beat somebody up. Like, no, I'm just playing, y'all, but it was an emergency for my brother. He do too much. Okay? So we had to run somewhere real quick, y'all. So I guess it's the end of the video, y'all. It still look good. I done went outside and all that. Y'all, so I guess this is the end of the video. I'm gonna make a thumbnail real quick. And yeah. It is still late. That stuff worked, I guess, y'all. Y'all better go get some. Like a book. Come on, baby. Y'all, look. I think I should do it with the straightener. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna drink because I'm thirsty. I just got done fighting. No, I'm just playing. Y'all, I really just got done going to do something for my brother. I don't need to drink this, y'all, because look at my face. Hold on, y'all. I need to drink this, but it be so good, yeah. My face clearing up. I haven't been really drinking them, if we being real, like I used to. But I'm gonna pop this open. I think, alright, y'all, that was the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and y'all can comment down below. But if y'all, look, I'm gonna tell y'all, I be posting on YouTube all the time. All y'all gotta do is search on my page, click me, click Ameerah Clanton, go to community, and y'all will see that I be posting almost every day on there. So if y'all, whenever I say comment down below, I mean comment down below. Whenever I say comment down below what videos y'all want to see, go comment on one of my posts that I made, and I'm gonna see it, and I'm gonna like all y'all comments and stuff, y'all, because YouTube turned my comments up. I don't know if they're gonna turn it. If they don't turn it off on this video, then y'all can comment down below, but they've been turning them off, so I don't know why. I tell YouTube to turn my comments back on. But yeah, y'all, go to community and comment down below what video y'all want to see, okay? So yeah, that was the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below if you want a video of me trying to curl y'all, because I swear I do not know how to curl no hair. But alright, y'all, peace.